Hi, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by, and it's always a pleasure, having your company. This is moving my craft room update number 4. The last one I did showed that I had the new shelves put in, and what else? Moving in slowly. I've actually moved in now. So I'll just open the door and give you a good view of it. Okay. Okay, then that's at the top of the door. Okay, so everything is in now. Everything from next door is in this room. And as I said before, I have tried my utmost to condense as best as I could. I've still got more things to organize. For instance, my rascogs, my trolleys, I've got to sort those out so they're not even organized. Then I have these boxes above here that needs organizing, so I've got to get those organized, and this top shelf here as well, that's got to get organized. This has been newly fitted, this shelf with the washies on it from the last video I did, moving craft room number 3. So that's been added. It's a great shelf. I love it. It was I had these for another project and a black one as well, and I thought, well, might as well use it while I had it there. So it came in really handy for that. And this is my wreath that I normally put on my door. There's a video for that. I'll link that below for this wreath. And what else? I mean, I've still got sort of like all these to sort out, but I'm not really worried about them at the moment. They just need hanging somewhere. So I'll get, because as you can see, I'd like to just do some nice little pretty things with the walls, the empty spaces of the walls, so those little things can go on the walls. And I've put these butterflies. Oh, sorry if I'm making you sick, if I'm spinning the camera around too quickly, I forgot, ever so sorry. I put these butterflies up here, which I think they're so pretty, and I'm going to put some more embellishments, maybe some love hearts, some glitter love hearts and stuff up there. And so I'll make use of the walls space. I would like an extra shelf just to go just above, and I think I'll be finished with the shelves now because I'm just crazy about shelves. So one more shelf above here and I'll be happy. So I'll get that done. I have started labeling, as you can see here, and I got these from AliExpress. I got these black chalk labels from AliExpress. However, I also got the white chalk pens as well, and I'm not happy the way they're writing. I've got big handwriting anyway, and that doesn't help. But the nibs of the pens are just too thick. So I've tried to make do with what I could so far. Just for my own, you know, sanity, because I've got a struggle as to exactly what is in what drawer. That's why I don't like my things hidden away. So yeah, so I've managed to label some of them, and I'll get on with the rest. I guess I have to use those chalk pens until I find smaller nib ones. I did look on eBay and stuff, and I couldn't really find. I even got some of these from eBay as well, and they wrote the same as the ones from AliExpress. Not nice, horrible they were. So yeah, but I am definitely labeling up because I have to, because I will never find anything. So I've started all that, and this is under the desk. I'm gonna put some nice tape on this. I've got storage. This one is empty. I got that from the range, and it was 2 extra I bought because I'd bought one of these and one of those previously, but I went and bought myself another 2, and they fit so nice under. Let's just stand up so you can see. They fit really nice under the table. This is what I had from next door, and that's new from the range, and they're really sturdy. My God, they're great. And then the other one here, and I've started to label those. So if you want an in-depth going through the drawers and stuff, let me know, and I'll definitely be happy to do that for you. But it's just an update of moving Craftroom number 4. So because everything's in now, there's nothing more that I need to bring in from next door. It's just really organizing it and finding homes for everything, and we're good to go. But I've been taking my time because really I've had other bits and pieces in between. So I've just been taking my time with this room because, as you know, as a crafter, every time you do a project, lots of things comes out. They don't go back in straight away. So, you know, and then to start another project, you either pack them away and then begin your new project, or you you just take more things out and pile on top of what you've had out before. So sorry about that. This is what happens to me. And my creaky floor, there's nothing I can do anything about it at the moment, because I am not about to lift up any carpet here. As you can see, I'm not about to lift up any carpet or anything. I'm just going to leave it. And it doesn't bother me. The only time it bothers me is when I'm recording videos for you and I'm moving around. So it's not too bad. Maybe I'm just going to have to mark out where not to stand so it doesn't creak. So I'm right here and it's creaking, so I'll just move over. Yeah, so that's that. And I'll show you the update of next door, what I've done with that. So that's it. As I said, if you want you know, a whole overall look inside my drawers and stuff and my boxes, let me know. But in the meantime as well, and I do have a giveaway coming up, because moving from next door to in here, you know, I've come across a lot of things that I can share. Let's put it that way. Yeah, a lot of things that I can share. You know, it's not that I don't need them all or anything like that, but I can share. So look out for that giveaway as well. And I'll catch you back real soon. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe and click the bell in order to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves. Bye for now. Bye-bye.